Tired of Zillow nagging you about updating your payment info? Let's ditch that headache and add your preferred payment method right now. First, navigate to Zillow.com and look for the profile icon, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select Account Settings. This will take you to your Zillow account management page. On the Account Settings page, look for a section labeled either Billing or Payment Methods. It's typically located in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on it. Now, you should see a page where you can manage your payment information. Look for a button that says Add Payment Method, or, if you already have a payment method saved, Update Payment Method. Click on that button. A form will appear where you can enter your payment details. This might include credit card information, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code, or bank account information, such as the routing and account numbers. Fill out all the required fields accurately. Once you've entered all your information, double-check to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Save or Submit button, usually found at the bottom of the form. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully added or updated, and that's it. You're all set. You've successfully added your payment method to Zillow. Now you can continue enjoying Zillow's features without interruption. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.